Hello, little ones. Today we are going to draw a Christmas globe, the ones that you can hang in your tree. We're going to start by drawing a line, and then we're going to do the big body of the globe. We're going to do one big circle shape. We're not going to connect it at the end. Nice. Then we're going to do these two curves on the sides. On top, we're going to do these curved lines. And now we're going to draw a ribbon. It might take a few attempts. I took a little bit of attempts before I got it right, so I practiced like 10 times. But it's no problem if you do it nice and steady, you're gonna get it probably faster than me. Nice and easy. The bunny ears. Like so. Let's finish this last bunny ear with this shape. Now we're gonna draw some curved lines on the globe. We're gonna start with them close, and as soon as we get further away, we're gonna like extend them as much as we can. See, they're starting out close, and then we're going bigger. And we're going to repeat this process all the way to the top. And if you make mistakes, either use an eraser or go at it again. It's a part of drawing. Drawing is a skill, so fortunately skills can be learned. So if we try hard enough, we're gonna get them. Perfect. Here we go. Now we're just drawing like this big line. Before we start coloring, I'm just going to like increase this these two lines, these two curves for a better effect. Now for the colors, we're going to start with the red color. We're gonna skip the next part, and we're just gonna go and fill out the pattern like this. We're gonna do nice and easy strokes. Do not try to keep up with the video, it's not meant for that. It's just like a way to show you how to do it. Nice and easy. All the way up. We're gonna do one and skip the next. Do one and skip the next. Quite like doing this. We're getting closer to finish with the red color. Now for the other lines, we're gonna fill them up with the darker green so that they make some sort of like nicer contrast between each other. Try to fill in the edges first and then the middle of the color. I find it super easy like that. We're gonna continue doing this all the way to the top. The closer we get to the top, the easier it is. Fill out this last part with green. Then we're gonna use this brighter yellow and like the darker red. Do it nice and easy since these are like narrow lines, so don't try to rush it. Do it at your own pace. Good job, little ones. See you on the next one. Bye bye.